Do you feel you need all of those amazing products available in market for stenciling, but you're on a limited budget? Well, in this video, I will be sharing how to make your own glitter paste with minimal ingredients. Hi, this is Princey for Kraftgali. Today, I'm going to show how I made my own colored stencil paste with glitter. I was playing around with some stencils and I wanted a neon greenish color glitter paste that I did not have. There are so many glitter pastes available, but not everyone has the luxury to collect all of them. I used white modeling paste from the crafter's workshop. Any dimensional gel or paste would serve the purpose. It should be 3D. Second ingredient is color. I'm using this Aladine ink that I had. Watercolors, ink pad refills, mica powders, acrylic paints are some of the alternatives that I can think of. Something fun would be to break out those old eyeshadow palettes lying at home. I'm using some cheap fine glitter from Dollar Tree. We need something to add sparkle. It could be glitter, mica powder, perfect pearls, pearl eggs, or anything else that you could think of. How about some gold flakes here? I'm taking these three ingredients and mixing them with a palette knife. You may also mix them in a small jar and store for future use. Ah, this color is gorgeous. Let me know in comment section below, what would you make your DIY stencil paste with? I would love to know all creative things that are coming to your mind. The possibilities are endless. I'm using the leftover paste from previous project to create a new color here.